Next, let's add some auto-generated captions to our video. To do that, we'll first need to import a voiceover. So let's go to Media here in the top left. Then I'll click on Import here. And I'll upload this audio file here. And I'll drag it below my music here in my timeline to create a new audio track. Next, I'll take my playhead and I'll drag it behind this new audio layer here. And then I'll go up here and click on Captions. Here you can change some options between the spoken language, whether or not you want bilingual captions. You can auto-highlight keywords, add AI emojis, and identify filler words. Configure your settings here, and when you're ready, click on Generate. CapCut will automatically generate your captions for you. And then if I press play here, here's how you add captions to your video in CapCut. And just like that, captions have been added to the video. Now if I take my playhead and I go back in my timeline a little bit, I'm able to see how my captions look. This is just the default caption style here within CapCut. To change how your captions look, you can go to the top right and edit everything here. If something is spelled wrong within your captions, you're able to highlight the word you want to fix and just retype it in here. You can also change the font if you want to, the font size. You can bold, underline, and italicize your captions. Choose if they're uppercase or lowercase. Change the color, the alignment, and they also have some preset styles here. The white captions kind of blend into the background, so I'll go for the yellow captions here. You can click on templates here at the top, and they have different templates available as well. So if I click on this one right here, and then I go back on my timeline and press play, here's how you add captions to your video in CapCut. Now they're actually animated and look way cooler.